Stocks are mixed this morning after the drops we saw yesterday of 2.4% in the Dow, 2.48% in the Russell, 3% in the S&P, and 3.6% in the NASDAQ. As I speak to you right now, we've got the Dow actually up above the flat line by a little bit less than 0.1%. Same thing for the Russell, a little bit more than 0.1%, but the S&P is down 0.1%. And the NASDAQ is still down about 0.5%. We've actually got rates rising again, with the 2-year up 4 basis points, the 5-year up 5 basis points, the 10-year up 6 basis points, up at 184, and the 30-year up about 5 basis points at 224 as I speak to you. A little bit of steepening in the curve, 2's 30, 66. 2's 10's 26. So getting a little bit of a more positive move, but still too early to tell if this is going to hold. Oil rising back above $120 a barrel. Considering a U.S. embargo that's still underway, hasn't been signed yet, hasn't gotten through Congress yet. Again, U.S. would be going solo. Yesterday we saw crude oil jump to 130.50 and then settle below 120. Today the high is only 126.03, but we're right around 124.90, 125 as I speak to you right now. So it's a little bit stronger of a move, even though it's got less of a high than we did yesterday. And according to European officials, negotiations with Iran on a new nuclear deal are still at a standstill. So those barrels are not coming to market as of yet. It was a surprise, but talks in Vienna ended when the Iranian chief negotiator actually went home Monday night. That was surprising as well, according to the European officials. Now, looking ahead, we're awaiting an announcement from President Joe Biden, an executive order on cryptocurrency regulation. There's no time frame for that, but you kind of got to look out for it because we don't know when it's coming. There's some interesting earnings, including Bumble, Stitch Fix, Petco, Desktop Metal, MongoDB, Dick's Sporting Goods, and Casey General Stores. Then in terms of data, it's a little bit lighter. Data flow coming in the next couple of days. Tonight, we get China Fed inflation figures. Tomorrow night, we get Japanese PPI. We are looking ahead to the CPI figures on Thursday, along with the ECB interest rate decision.